Good morning, rock stars. Sean here with another excellent review, although Kelly will be putting in an appearance.
Hey!
Today we're going to be checking out Nomadz compression packing cubes. So let's take a trip to the living room, get these unboxed, and test them out. Basically, these packing cubes allow you to divide and conquer your luggage. You can fit a lot of cubic feet worth of stuff with a very small and lightweight amount of material. Kinda reminds me of those nesting dolls. So let's take a look at some of the features. With these Nomadz, you can fit more clothes than regular packing cubes. A note on compression. I know when a lot of people pack their luggage, they just jam a bunch of stuff in a suitcase, which is fine for the initial pack, but then just ends up causing a mess later. With the compression cubes, not only can you organize stuff, but you can pre-compress it so it stays in place. And the cubes have strong stitches and zippers, so you don't have to worry about them bursting at the seams. Nice. Also, you get pieces of 3 different sizes, and a tote, which can be used as a shoe bag or for toiletries. Or whatever. Packing a suitcase often leads to wrinkled clothes, but the Nomadz travel cubes can stop your clothes from moving around, so they unpack with hardly a wrinkle. They're ultralight, which makes them great for flying, and they're sturdy but slight with strong handles. So it won't make your suitcase overweight at check-in, and you can still use them on their own. For as light as they do seem very strong, and if you take plenty of trips, you're going to want luggage organizers that can take a beating, and these things are built to not tear or unravel at the seams. Seems like when I travel, I just live out of the suitcase. I don't really use hotel drawers or things like that. So I think these compression cubes will be nice and handy. It'll help keep my suitcase from becoming a disorganized mess by the end of the trip. And you can even use one for laundry if you want. So there's really no set rules on what you can and can't put in them, although they're not built for live animal storage. You could even take empty ones with you and bring them back filled with souvenirs or whatever. It can also help if you're taking a large suitcase with multiple people's stuff in it.
Hey, can I put some of my sweaters in here?
Sure, just put them in one of the Nomadz first. Well, there you go, Nomadz compression packing cubes. Now I've got an excuse to take a road trip. These are available on Amazon Prime, but check out the link below for more details.
Hey, thanks for watching.
And join us next time for a concert of new products.
On Rockstar Reviews.
Boom.
Welcome to Rockstar Reviews. This channel will showcase some really cool health, fitness, fashion, and beauty products. Like this.
Check it out. There's a link in the description below.
Please take a moment, check out our videos, and subscribe for new videos coming out all the time.
Hey, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for new videos every week and comment below with suggestions for new video topics.